Today we're going to be touring one of the most impressive condos I've seen yet, and I've seen a lot of condos. The prices here at this condo start at just around 2.2 million Thai baht, which is just around $60,000. So in a moment, you're gonna see how much you can get for just around $60,000, which is pretty insane. Before we begin the tour, let's talk about the location. What I'm about to show you is Noble New Connex Condo here in Don Muang. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. I partnered with Fulcrum Global to give you an exclusive tour, so let's go ahead and begin. Starting off with the first building, this is building A. This is the lobby. Wow. So immediately stepping into the lobby, not only do we have some nice interiors and a huge display of the actual property itself. We're gonna get to this in just a moment, but let's check out the outside pool. It reminds me kind of like a beach resort or like a beach club or something. Wow, this is nice. And we even have a little kids club right here. So this would be good for any families here. You just have your kids playing. Really nice design. And right next to the kids club, we actually have a steam room, which is also really nice. So welcome, this is the steam room. This is an absolute requirement in any condo you live here in Thailand. You need to have a steam room. These come really in handy, especially after those nights drinking a lot. So this is the entire project. As you can see, it's very huge. We have 5 different buildings. This is A, B, C, D, E, and then these buildings are 14 floors high. So it's very low rise, but it gives a kind of more intimate feeling. And this whole entire project has 1,176 units. So the condo is located right here, and we have the BTS Kopo, and they're also gonna have a shuttle bus that's gonna take you directly to this BTS station. So the Don Muang airport actually is right here, so it's very, very close to the condo, as you can see. And then over up north, we have the different universities. We have Langsit University, and then we also have Hero. All right, guys, we are on the 2nd floor. This is the gym. So starting off, we have this very compact gym right here. We have some of the basics. Got a full body equipment right here. And wow, look at this. What? I've actually never seen this in a condo before. We have a rock climbing wall right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna go up a little bit. All right, which one level am I doing? I'm gonna do the yellow. Wow, never seen that in a condo. And then moving on, we have a Muay Thai gym. This actually looks a lot like FitFac, the FitFac Muay Thai gym. I mean, this is pretty decent size actually. You can get a private one-on-one coach right here. Just practice some sparring. It's pretty legit. If I actually had this, I'd probably be doing Muay Thai like every day. All right, and then moving on, I actually have no idea what else to expect. Let's see if there's something back here. We have a golf simulator room. As you can see, just practice some of your drives. Awesome, wow. Immediately, first thing, 2nd floor, we have all of these different amenities. All right, so far so good. We're only on the 2nd floor, so I could only imagine what else we have. And looks like they have a music room as well. We're still on the 2nd floor, and we actually have a theater room and a music room. The theater room is actually in use. Someone privately booked it, which is how you can reserve these rooms. You can contact the juristic office and pretty much reserve these rooms. So the theater room is in use, but we have a music room. Pretty surprised that this condo has it. Wow. Wow, look at this setup. I mean, we got all these instruments free to use. Look at this equipment. I mean, that is some high-tech stuff right here. That's crazy. And look at these speakers too. These are Yamaha brand. Like, this is not cheap stuff. This whole room probably costs like $10,000 or so. Wow. When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Yo, I kind of want to show off a little bit I kind of want to practice some of my guitar right here. I really wish I had this at my condo. All right, just plug in the amp. It's all free to use. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All right, yeah, I mean, this is awesome. Wow, I really love the drum setup they have here. This is definitely a bucket list, learning how to play the drums. That That was pretty cool. Let's see what else they have. They found out that we're recording, so they were actually nice enough to let us give a little tour. Wow, this is the theater room. This is legit. Wow. We got 5 seats total. Man, wow. This is nice. All right, guys, moving on. Let's walk up the 3rd floor. Just take a look at this interior. You can see the outside. I mean, it's just so trendy. All right, guys, we are on the 3rd floor. So it looks like we have a co-kitchen right here, like a community kitchen. I believe you can rent this out and actually host dinners. So we have pretty much all the things you need. We have a fridge, we got the sink. I'm not sure if they actually come with cooking utensils, but you can host a dinner with your friends right here. I mean, this is nice. And then we have this huge dining area right here. Host a little party, host a little get together. That's pretty nice. Now let's check out over there. Wow, so we have our recreational game area. We got a billiards table, we got a pool table right here. And then we also have our classic ping pong table. This is something you don't see in a lot of condos actually, ping pong table. This is one of my favorite sports. We have a salon. Why is there a salon at a condo? That is so Thai. Guys, by the way, I'm not a real estate agent. As you can tell, these videos are very casual. I haven't done a ton of research, but I'm just here touring. This is just my first-hand experience as it is for you guys watching. So I'm not sure if like they actually have people working here or you hire a private salon, hair salon person. But I mean, that's crazy. Just get a haircut here, just work on your hair, work on your nails. That is cool. Moving on. Wow, check this out. This is nice. Check out this little outside balcony. All these intricate details is really what makes a place feel just comfortable and kind of cozy. This is nice. Yeah, just come out here, read a book, just sit down, talk with a friend, you know, host a little dinner here, have a party here. Everybody come out here and just go outside, socialize. I mean, this is like a lifestyle condo, it feels like. If you have a lot of friends, if you have a lot of people you want to invite over, there's a lot to do. And I'm pretty sure the accommodation sizes here are not going to be the biggest, but the amenities like this, it's oriented towards like a social, active lifestyle, I feel like, or for families. So let's see what else they got. And as you can see right above us, we have all of these condo units. It's actually not too high, it's 14 floors. So let's continue. Moving on, we have a co-working lounge. This feels like a WeWork. One thing I've noticed is I have not seen a lot of people. I've only seen 2 people at these amenities. I guess everybody's inside, or I don't know. This is nice though. So you'll never have to go outside. You'll never have to go to Starbucks or cafe. You just work here. I mean, these are very like ergonomic, very suitable for work. A little meeting here. Just sit down here with your laptop, get a nice view of the neighborhood. It's actually really quite spacious too. I mean, this place could fit like, I don't know, 5, 10, 15, 20, maybe 40 people, like comfortably too. And then we have a meeting room. So I'm pretty sure you could book this room. And if you want to make like a YouTube seminar or presentation, you could just pretend this is like a whiteboard and have your Google Slides up here and then just like present like this. So this was the co-working lounge. Now let's move on to the next floor. Now let me show you the actual first bedroom. We're going to be going to the 12A floor. And just the funny thing about Thailand is that they don't use a 13 floor. 13 is associated with bad luck or something like that. So they use 12A, but 12A is actually 13 floor. So it's one of those like Asian superstitions. But yeah, let's go. So yeah, we are on a 12A floor, not the 13th floor, but the 12A floor. I'm going to show you our first 1 bed, 1 bath. Now squeeze yourself in here. As you can notice, I mean, it's quite small. This is only 24 square meters. It has all the essentials, and I think the price is actually justified. You know, if you're looking for a big space, I honestly probably wouldn't recommend this place. But if you're just looking for somewhere that's kind of affordable in a good location and has all these great amenities, I think it's more appropriate, especially if you're a student or you're working at the Don Mueang airport. I think a place like this is actually quite comfortable and quite nice. Starting off, we have our very cozy, very chill, compact living room area. Got a nice TV, got this really nice couch. I think this is perfect for just one person, but you can invite guests, and you can even potentially live with another person here as well. It's just gonna be a little bit cramped. Yeah, it's nice and comfortable. Got some really good decor, really good interiors. And when you actually buy this place, I'm not gonna say 100% that everything is gonna be included. This is a stage room, but most of these things will actually be included, like the furnishings, the table, the TV, all this stuff, and you can actually negotiate too. But yeah, very elegantly designed. So yeah, let's take a look at the kitchen. Even have sliding doors to prevent, you know, the very strong smells of Thai food. So we have this sliding door right here. We have all the essentials, to be honest. We have the stove, microwave, the fridge, sink. We have a washing machine right here as well. Yeah, and they even managed to fit a balcony. So you can step outside and you can get a nice view of the neighborhood. All right, now let's move on to the bedroom. Okay, so the bedroom's actually nice size. We got the TV right here. I mean, it's comfortable, you know, it's not spacious, but it is comfortable. We have our closet space right here. As you can see, we have just enough storage to fit one person's essentials. And then we have a nice little area where you can get ready, or you can use this as a working area as well. And then moving on to the restroom. Okay. Actually, this bathroom is pretty nice. I've been in a lot of small studios, but I think this is actually one of the more nicer ones. Yeah, it's not too small. I mean, it's pretty elegant, to be honest. Pretty good looking, pretty decent restroom. No bathtub, as I would expect. Yeah, and then also I want to show you the view we get from this bedroom as well. So every day you can expect to wake up to this view. The windows are slightly tinted, so you can't see everything that's going on with the neighborhoods. This is one of those kind of complexes where they have a ton of people, like they have over 1,000 units. You know, I read the comments and I know a lot of people say like these are shoe boxes and you know, these are like dormitories and they're so small. But you gotta understand the actual customer audience demographic. People who live at accommodations like this are trying to pay cheap rents or trying to live nearby their work, nearby their school. They're typically not gonna be your like tourist that's coming on a vacation. You know, these are very specific people, and accommodations like this are really, really suitable for students, for workers at Don Mueang Airport, for people who travel out and want to be close to Don Mueang Airport, or people who want to be next to the top schools like the Harrow University or Langsit University, and all the different surroundings. So time to talk about the price. The price of this 24 square meter one bedroom is 2.04 million Thai baht. That is roughly around $60,000-ish dollars. So, I mean, you could just buy this in cash, like $60,000. I mean, it is small, guys. I read the comments, you guys always say these places are shoeboxes. It is small, but you gotta understand the price. It's 2.04 million Thai baht with all these amenities that I've showed as well. And I'm not done showing the amenities. This place has over 20 different amenities, I believe. So we haven't even seen all of them. But yeah, for roughly $60,000, I mean, that's honestly not bad at all. And if you buy this property, you can expect around 7,000 to 8,000 baht in rental income. So every month you're gonna be getting that cash flow, 7,000 to 8,000 baht, and it's gonna appreciate as well, as long as the Thai economy is gonna keep doing well. You can expect that to go to 9,000, 10,000 baht a month. And I mean, it's not gonna take long for you to be able to make a return on investment. So yeah. All right, guys, now let me show you a bigger room. This is 35 square meter. We're still on the 13th floor, so come on in. All right, so immediately stepping in, we're in the living room. So let me just break down each section right here. Kind of similar to the first bedroom. We have our very compact living room, as well as the balcony right here. Just making sure nobody's looking at me. Moving on, we have our dining room, enough to fit 4 people right here. And then we have our kitchen space. This is kind of like an open kitchen. We have kind of like an open bar style right here. So you can come right here, serve your guests some drinks, and then, you know, prepare the meals. We have pretty much a full kitchen. We have microwave, stove, Got an oven right here, got the fridge of course, and we even have our laundry machine. Moving on, we have the first bedroom. So this is either can be a bedroom for like a small child, or this can be converted to an office space. So whatever preference you have, you can kind of tell them and this can be rearranged. But yeah, very nice and cozy to be honest. Guys, I'm actually really tired. I just kind of want to I mean, the bed is super comfortable. And then we have the closet space right here. So this is more than enough for a small kid. The kid can put his toys, some of his clothes, and you know, whatever else kids have. All right, moving on. So the thing about this condo is that most 35 square meter units are actually just one bedroom, but this is actually two bedroom because of the specific layout. As you can see, this condo is actually quite long, so they had the ability to convert it into two beds. So this is our main master bedroom right here. Then we even have the TV facing right there. Just nice and comfortable. I mean, it's not too different than the other one. This one feels a little bit more spacious. Then we have our closet space, so it is a bit bigger. As you can see, we have enough to fit, you know, one person's belongings. And then we'll also have some space that you can put potentially under the bed, potentially in the kitchen as well. And in this bedroom, we have our own entrance to the bathroom. So this is kind of the same style as the previous restroom we saw here. Nothing much more else to say. Just very nice, very elegant, very compact. And then we actually have another door that leads directly outside to the living room. So we're back in the living room. Now let's talk about the actual prices and the numbers. This 35 square meter, two bedroom unit starts at 3.3 million Thai baht, which is just under $100,000. And you can expect to get rental income of around 10 to 13,000 Thai baht. So for just under $100,000, you can live in a pretty nice, cozy, compact living area like this. I mean, if I was a single guy, if I didn't have my dog, I mean, living in a place like this for just 10,000 baht, that's honestly not bad at all, guys. I mean, they have some huge units, you know, but to live in a place like this with nice amenities and to have a huge living space, you're looking at like 50,000, 100,000 Thai baht, but this place, only 10,000 baht, which is not bad at all. If you're interested in actually buying a property here are the payment terms. On day one, you have to submit 100,000 baht and pay 100,000 baht to book the place. And then within 15 days, you have to pay 30%. And then finally, within 60 days, you have to pay the remaining 70%. And that's it, the place would be yours. So you guys can contact Fulcrum Global down in the description below. And if you're interested in actually moving to Thailand and want to remote workly and want me to teach you, you guys can join my community down in the description, follow my Instagram, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.